Welcome back to the channel. If your computer has been feeling slow lately, don't worry. In this video, I will show you several simple settings that can help make your Windows PC run faster. Alright, the first thing you want to check is your startup apps. These are programs that automatically launch every time you turn on your computer. If too many apps starts at the same time, it can slow down startup and make your computer feel less responsive. To check this, right-click on your Start button, open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps. Here you will see list of applications that launches when your PC starts. If you notice apps that you don't really need starting with Windows, you can disable them. For example, on my system, I have apps like Teams, OneDrive, and Xbox that start automatically, which I don't really need at startup. So I'm going to disable those. So I'm going to disable Xbox first. Right click and hit disable. Then I'm going to disable OneDrive. So right click, hit disable. I'm going to disable Microsoft 365 Copilot as well. So right click, disable. Just be careful not to disable anything related to Windows, driver, or security software. After disabling unnecessary startup apps, your computer should start faster and feel more responsive. Next, let's take a look at background apps. First, open Start menu, go to Settings, then go to Apps, and click on Install Apps. Even when you are not actively using certain apps, they can still run in the background and use system resources like memory and CPU. Now find the app you want to manage. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Background App Permission. Here you can change the settings to Never if you don't want that app running in the background when you're not using it. Just keep in mind that you should avoid changing settings for important apps like Windows Security, drivers, and other system apps. Disabling unnecessary background apps can free up system resources and help your computer run more smoothly. Next, let's take a look at visual effects. Go to Start menu and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. And then open it. This will bring up the performance option window. Here you will see a list of visual effects that Windows uses for animation and appearance. These effects can make Windows look smoother, but they also use system resources like memory and processing power. If your computer is older or has limited resources, disabling some of these effects can help improve performance. For best performance, simply select Adjust for Best Performance. This will turn off most visual effects. If you prefer, you can manually select the effects you want to keep. Once you are done, click Apply and then hit OK. After making these changes, your computer may feel a bit faster and more responsive. Next, let's free up some space on your C drive. Go to Start menu, go to Settings, then go to Systems and Storage. Click Yes if prompted. It may take few seconds for Windows to calculate and display your storage usage. From here, click on Temporary Files. Windows will scan your system and show items like cache file, recycle bin files, and other temporary data. You can safely select most of these options. Just be careful with the Downloads folder. Only select it if you're sure you don't need those files, since it may contain important documents or installer you have downloaded. Once you selected the items, click Remove Files. Click Continue. This process alone can free up several gigabits of space. Now, let's take a step further. Go back and click on Install Apps. Here, you can sort the apps by its size and uninstall anything you no longer use. Large programs and games can take up a lot of space. so removing them can make a big difference. Keeping at least 20 to 30% of your drive free can help your system run much smoother. Now, let's free up even more space using a quick command. Windows has a feature called Hibernation. When your computer hibernates, it saves everything from memory to a hidden file on your C drive called hiberfill.sys. This file can be quite large, sometimes several gigabytes, depending on your system. If you don't use Hibernation, you can safely remove this file and free up that space. Click on Start menu, type in command prompt, right-click on command prompt, run as administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type the following command or copy and paste this command from the description below into command prompt and press enter. This will disable hibernation and automatically remove the hiberfill.sys file from your system. If you ever wanted to enable hibernation again, you can run this command to turn it back on. One last simple tip. Make sure you restart your computer regularly. Restarting clears temporary memory usage and refreshes system processes, which can help your computer run more smoothly. Thank you for watching.